Yeah.
Okay, it's looking good. Okay, let's start the video, shall we? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching in. This is Aditya, and you are watching the Techno Drift. Samsung Galaxy A series has been one of the most popular series in this, like not only in India but also in the whole world. Just because Samsung has brought up a lot of flagship features, a lot of S series and Note series features into this A series, and the Samsung has made it more affordable. In the name of Samsung, in the brand name of Samsung, people are gonna. It is not, of course, the price is not competitive that much, but people are gonna purchase in the brand name of Samsung just because it's too good. The service is very very premium, I would say. Well, this year Samsung has launched A52 and A72 as the successor to the A51 and A71. We already had A71 video on our channel as well. Also, the A72, that is the elder brother of A52. We already have the A72 video. We just had that video, I guess, last week. So if you guys haven't watched it yet, I'll try to give a link in this I button. Go ahead, watch that video. But hey, this video is about A52. I know what you're waiting for. You know what's coming next. Sit back, relax, park it up, and enjoy the hashtag Cinematico intro.
Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merce. 6 figures, what's a gold, now it's 9 or a hearse.
Now, I hope you enjoyed the intro. If you did, hit that like button. Help us reach 1K because we have been creating content since last 7 to 8 months, and if you love our content, if you love our cinematic intros, please hit that subscribe button. Help us reach 1K. Well, that will mean the world to us. And without any wasting any further ado, let's start the unboxing and the overview of the Galaxy A52. Opening up the box, you get the phone first in this awesome black color. We'll check that later. Some documentations, SIM ejector tool, 15-watt fast charger inside the box, and a Type-C to Type-C cable. Sadly, there is no back cover or earphone inside the box that we used to see in Samsung devices and Samsung packages before. So first, let's have an overview of this device. The device has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a punch hole front camera at the top. At the top side of the phone, you get the secondary mic along with the hybrid SIM slot. Below the screen is the USB Type-C port along with speakers and primary mic. And thanks to Samsung for not removing that headphone jack, at the right side you get the power on off button along with the volume rockers. Now this phone comes with a polycarbonate design, I would say a pretty plastic design. Also the frame is also plastic, but it's a pretty good matte finish, and to be honest, it's better than the previous glossy packs of A51 or A71, I would say. This black color does attract some smudges. Now this phone is not that heavy to use also. This is around 189 grams and 8.4 mm in thickness. But the thing is, you can use this phone for a longer period of time just because of the weight management. Samsung has done a pretty brilliant job on the weight management of this device. So kudos to Samsung. Coming to display, here you get a 6.5-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED panel that supports 90 Hz refresh rate. The display is excellent to look at and is also pretty bright outdoors at a peak brightness of 800 nits. This is an excellent panel with great colors and contrast levels. When it comes to content consumption, the phone supports Widevine L1, which means you can watch HD content in Prime Video or Netflix. Coming to protection, you get the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 here, so you can probably use the phone naked. Just like me, I always use every phone naked. Okay, so taking a look at the cameras, it has a quad camera array in which the primary has a 64 megapixel camera. The secondary is the ultra wide sensor, which is a 12 megapixel shooter, a 5 megapixel depth along with a 5 megapixel macro sensor. The photos from the primary sensor have good color science, great details and very good amount of dynamic range. The wide angle camera are great due to the 12 megapixel sensor. There is no color shift in the photos. When it comes to portrait mode, this phones take amazing portrait shots with great edge detection. The 5 megapixel macro camera also doesn't disappoint a lot and is very good for the price point. It has good amount of detail as well. Low light performance from this camera is commendable. Night mode also works great with good details. When it comes to selfies, the phone with its 32 megapixel punch hole camera takes good shots, but as usual, the age detection could be a slight better when it comes to portrait selfies. When it comes to videos, there is an optical image stabilization, but that works only with 1080p 30 fps. But overall, you get a 1080p 60 fps settings for both front and rear camera. You also get 4K 30 fps settings at the back camera as well. Now have a look at the front camera footage. This video is getting recorded at 1080p 30 fps, and also the audio is getting recorded from the internal microphone of this device. There are some sort of a building works and also some wind noise happening over here. I hope you'll get an idea about the noise cancellation from the microphone of this device. Okay, let me walk and you will get an idea about the video stabilization as well. Okay, I feel it is doing good. And right now I'm facing towards the sun right now, and because it is around 4:30 p.m. Right now, and I'm facing towards the sun, and you can see some color shifting happening whenever I move the camera. So yeah, I think it is doing pretty good job, just because the backgrounds, even the buildings, are sort of blown out. You can see so buildings are blown out, the colors are not that much happening right over here. So yeah, I hope you can get an idea about the front camera performance from this device, the Galaxy A52. If you guys want to do a proper camera review, you can also do that. So yeah, just stay tuned to the channel. Taking a look at the software part, the device greets you with One UI 3.1 along with Android 11 out of the box. Now there are a lot of customization features and new privacy features on the One UI 3.1. Now there are no ads exactly, but you get some of the unusual notifications from the pre-installed apps from Samsung. There are also bloatwares like Moj, Snapchat, which you can uninstall, and there are some apps like Netflix, Facebook, which you cannot uninstall. So I don't think someone is gonna uninstall Netflix, because who doesn't love Netflix, right? Now let's know what exactly powered this device. This device is powered by octa-core Snapdragon 720G processor, which is our 8 nanometer chipset, and it has up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128 GB of UFS 1 2.1 storage. The specs on this device is not that well defined for the price Samsung is asking for, but you know what, overall day-to-day performance is absolutely great. It's phenomenal, I would say. There is no frame drop, there is no lag whatsoever, and the 720G is I'm very thankful to Samsung for using the 720G processor, because it is a very good optimized processor, and also it can handle the 90Hz AMOLED display pretty easily. You throw anything at it, it handles it very good. Also, here are the benchmark scores from Geekbench. Now in view of security, you get in-display fingerprint scanner, which is an optical one. Well, that is the most disappointment one. And also you get the option for face detection as well. Well, just check out the speed of the in-display fingerprint scanner. I mean, it's annoyingly slow and it is not good experience at all. So if anyone from Samsung is watching this video, please give a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. You are taking a lot amount of, even if the Galaxy A72 has in-display fingerprint scanner, kindly give a physical fingerprint scanner, kindly give a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Well, that will be a great experience. The face unlock is also not that great, but I don't mind because I hardly use it. The phone comes with the February security patch. Good thing is that Samsung has promised 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patch updates as well. Talking about the battery, this device comes with a 4500 milliamp hour battery, which is the only reason why the device is not that heavy as compared to its elder one, which is the Galaxy A72. Well, go ahead, check that video. You can find the link in the I button as well. Actually, because of the Super AMOLED display and the efficient chipset, that is the 720G, that's the reason why you get 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. Well, wait for our full review on this device. Of course, the full review is coming regarding our A72, also the A52 on this channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. In terms of charging, you don't get a 50 watt, a whooping 65 watt charger inside the box, but you get at least a 15 watt charger inside the box. That's very, very important, inside the box. And for all those who don't have any idea about the price it is coming at, this device comes with a 6GB and 128GB version at a price tag of 26,499, and the upper variant is with the 8GB and 128GB version, which is priced at around 27,999 INR. Now it's time for our thoughts on this device. Well, we are reserving our thoughts for the full review just because we need to use this device rigorously. We need to use the device at least 20 to 30 days to give you guys a full review. So don't forget to hit that notification bell and stay tuned to the channel. Okay, so that's it. That's it for the first impression and the unboxing of the Galaxy A52. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And also, if you have any queries regarding this device, please let us know in the comment section. And we are definitely gonna reply to each and every comment right out there. Also, you can share this video with your family and friends who are searching for a Samsung particular device under the price segment of 30k INR. And also, if you want to get connected with us, then don't forget to check all our social media links down in the description. That's it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you, and I hope to see you in the next one.